All right, let's take a little tour of my garden. Eventually, I'm gonna cover all this with rock and put a gate up and a fence around the whole thing. But hadn't got there yet. Been too busy. Right here, we got some Carolina Reapers, if anybody wants any. Lowe's had a big sale, so yeah, I bought a lot of them. We got beefsteak tomatoes, a variety called Dester. Over here we've got some jalapeno peppers. Right here will be my okra. If anybody wants some okra, I won't eat that much. Right here will be my cucumbers coming in a couple days. And right here is my sunflowers. Growing pretty good, I must say. I'm gonna get a couple blooms in probably a week or so. Maybe a couple days I'll have some blooms for you. As far as the middle of the garden goes, I'm gonna get one more of those and possibly something to go in the middle. I don't know yet, we'll see. All right, so I just made these tomato trellises out of 2 cattle panels. That should hold probably for the whole season. I cut them to almost 12 feet lengths, zip tied them so they won't go nowhere. Hopefully it'll work. Wish me luck. And check this out, the piece I cut off from over there, I could stick it in the ground like that. So it's going right there for my cucumbers.